up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you stabbed me in the back.
Dan selanjutnya saya akan latihan yang namanya Biceps Curl dengan menggunakan barbell. Ini caranya, badan tegap, badan nggak bisa goyang, jadi dikunci badannya dan angkat.
Put the place up. Put my face up.
Oke teman-teman, nggak perlu berat ya bebannya. Yang penting gerakannya benar, tekniknya benar, dan kena di bicep. Oke.
Stab me in the back. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you stabbed me in the back. I ain't going outside in this cold ass winter, gotta roll up and out. See you from afar, got my thoughts in the sky. Where we used to kiss, sunshine, shit, and why you gotta call me every day, pretend you my baby. I see more real out there lately, it's crazy. Yeah, we could be the same as we claiming this kingdom shit and keep it tame. Come on, baby girl, we're not the same. Two different species, but we keep it one lane. Yeah, what goes around comes around. Keep 100, y'all. Do this for my soul like a dawn. Put the stereo.